You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken Tech for your ears.
Welcome back. Today we're looking at some really interesting movements in the world of product design, stuff that's brand new, things that are changing how we think and, what really sticks around.
Yeah, it's a busy time. Lots happening.
Definitely. Okay, kicking things off, let's talk Instagram. They're apparently testing picture-in-picture for Reels, Pi,
Ah, right. So you can watch Reels in a little floating window while you do other stuff.
Exactly. And yeah, okay, TikTok and YouTube have it, so it's partly catch-up. But it feels like more than that, doesn't it? Like challenging that idea that you only focus on one app at a time on your phone.
I think you're right. It's not just about stickiness in the old sense. It's aiming for this kind of ambient presence, always there, even if it's in the corner of your eye. How do you design for that kind of engagement? Peripheral, but persistent.
It's a different way of thinking, totally.
Yeah.
And speaking of design shifts, maybe a more debated one, the buzz around the New and Other Stories logo.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. They dropped the scripty one.
Yeah. That really chic, distinctive word mark, gone. Replaced with a minimalist serif font. Clean, modern lines, sure.
Okay.
But a lot of people are saying it just stripped away the brand's personality, like completely.
Yeah, and that raises a big question, doesn't it? This whole trend towards minimalism and branding is that improved legibility or maybe fitting into corporate templates always worth potentially losing what makes a brand feel unique.
Exactly, that emotional connection.
And, this tension isn't just visual. It happens with hardware, too. Think about the iPhone Fold, the one rumored for, 2026. Reports suggest Touch ID might be on the side button, not under the display.
Really? Why?
Well, it sounds like sickness constraints, maybe cost, some practical stuff.
Yeah.
But it forces designers to rethink a core interaction unlocking your phone, because the hardware kind of dictates an odd placement for biometrics.
That's a great example of constraints driving design. Okay, but let's pivot a bit. I wanted to talk about this concept I came across. Designing for ephemerality.
Ephemerality. So designing for things not to last.
Sort of. It's this idea that, look, most software will eventually die or become obsolete. It's inevitable. So instead of fighting it, design with that in mind. Focus on, say, data portability, good documentation.
Ah, so you design for a graceful exit.
Exactly. Longevity becomes a bonus, not the main goal.
That really reframes what success means for a product, doesn't it? Less about chasing immortality, more about making a meaningful impact while it is around, and then letting it fade gracefully, leaving useful stuff behind, not just digital junk.
Yeah, it's almost philosophical. And speaking of adapting and evolving, AI and design, we're seeing teams like at Wise actually building tools like a prompt coach using Gemini, just to help their own designers get better at using AI prompts. It's not about replacing anyone.
Absolutely not. That's the key thing people miss sometimes. It's a co-pilot. AI could do things like accelerate brainstorming, generate prototypes super fast, analyze huge data sets. It basically frees up designers to focus more on the big picture, the strategy, the really creative problem solving, exploring possibilities humans might just miss.
Right. And related to that, maybe on a more personal skill level, I really think understanding some front-end development, basics of CSS, semantic HTML.
Oh, definitely.
It just makes you a better designer. You develop more empathy for the developers you work with.
Totally. Start speaking the same language, understanding the constraints and possibilities from their side, too.
Right.
Better collaboration.
Leads to better products, ultimately.
So it makes you wonder then,
Yeah.
what are those crucial multidisciplinary skills going to be? Like coding for designers. Skills needed to build things that are scalable, accessible, and to really partner effectively across different teams. The skill set is definitely evolving.
For sure. So from Pi changing how we even use apps, to logo debates about identity, to embracing impermanence, using AI as a creative partner, even learning some code. Design is just constantly shifting. It's fascinating.
It really is, and it suggests the products that will truly resonate going forward. Well, they won't just work. They'll need to embody that adaptability, have a really thoughtful impact, and have the grace to change or even fade away eventually.
Something to think about next time you're using your favorite app or noticing a new brand design out there. We'll catch you next time.
Spoken Tech for your ears.